In this video, I will show you how to set alarm on your Laxasfit smartwatch. So if you have any smartwatch that uses the Laxasfit Smartwatch app, it doesn't matter the model of Laxasfit smartwatch you have, whether it's the S10 Max or the i9 Pro Max, any Laxasfit smartwatch, this video is going to guide you on how to set alarm on your Laxasfit smartwatch. Now, in order for you to properly do this, you actually have to connect the Laxasfit smartwatch with the Laxasfit smartwatch app on your phone. So go ahead and get your phone, whether it's an iPhone or Android phone, open up the Google Play Store or App Store if you're using an iPhone, and then from the search bar over here, you want to make sure you download and install the Laxasfit Smartwatch app into your phone. As you can see, mine over here has been downloaded and installed already. Now, before you proceed to connect the Laxasfit Smartwatch with the Laxasfit Smartwatch app, you want to make sure you turn on Bluetooth, and then also make sure that your service location or your location is turned on your phone. If your Laxasfit Smartwatch actually has the Bluetooth feature, you also want to make sure you enable it. But not all Laxasfit smartwatch actually has Bluetooth. If yours actually has it, then just press on this button over here. You should be able to find Bluetooth. Make sure you enable Bluetooth over here, and then just go ahead and open up the Laxasfit Smartwatch app now. If you're using the app for the first time, you might actually have to set it up, so just click on the agree over here and then give the app all of the permission it needs to work properly on your phone. So just allow it to access your location, and then just go ahead and click on allow. Now, once you're done from over here, you will be asked to sign up or sign into the app. You just want to check this button over here and then click on the sign up with Google, which is actually the simplest way to sign up. Now, go ahead and select any of your email you want to sign up with. I'll go ahead and select this over here. And if you're using the app for the first time, or if you're signing up for the first time, you'll be asked to enter some details like your username, your height, your weight, etc. And once you're done, you'll be taken to this page. Now, from here, what you want to do is to just go ahead and click on the go to set option, and then scroll down and look for the Laxasfit Smartwatch over here, select it, and then give it permission to access allow all notification access over here. Just go ahead and check this button. Now, once allow notification access has been turned on, you can now go back to the Laxasfit Smartwatch app. So come over here and then come over to the My Devices tab over here. Then go ahead and pair both devices together. So click on search for devices. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on your Laxasfit Smartwatch, and the Laxasfit Smartwatch app should be able to find it. Go ahead and select it from over here. Then click on the smartwatch just like so. Now it is connecting. Once they are both connected, you will also be asked to pair both devices together. This is actually a Bluetooth pairing feature. Just go ahead and click on pair and you're good to go. Now, in order for you to be able to set alarm on your Laxasfit smartwatch, you basically just want to come over to the My Devices tab over here. That is the device settings. And then from over here, you're going to see the set alarm reminder option over here. Go ahead and select on alarm reminder. And then from over here at the top, you're going to see the add an alarm. Just select that. Proceed to enter when you want your alarm to start, and then how often you want it to repeat. So go ahead and select the alarm time over here. I'll go ahead and select 5 p.m. And once I am done, just click on OK. Now, you also want to set how often you want your alarm to be. So in my case, it is actually every day. So I'll just set it to every day, or I can actually turn it off for the days I don't want it, and then click on OK. Now, once you're done, just click on OK, and your alarm will be set for your Laxasfit smartwatch. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.